All right, well, hey everyone, welcome back to another FortiOS tip. And today we're going to look at security profile groups. Now, security profile groups are a great way to organize and group together your security profiles. And so if I go to security profiles, you can see that I've created some demo security profiles. I can go under antivirus and I've got a security profile under here. I go under web filter, I've got a demo profile here. I go to intrusion prevention and I've got a demo profile here. And so traditionally, if I go to create a new firewall policy, and I want to assign those security profiles that I just showed you to this policy, I would have to click the radio button for antivirus, select a security profile, click the radio button for web filter, select my security profile, and then click the radio button for IPS and select my security profile. And so if this is a standardized group of security profiles that I'd use, it may make sense to add them to a group so that I could assign them to firewall policy with really just one click. So let's take a look at doing that. I'm going to go to the CLI and I'm going to enter config system settings. And then I'm going to set GUI security profile group enable. And so that enables security profile groups. And I'm going to end and then refresh the web page. And if I look under security profiles now, all the way at the bottom, there's going to be an option for profile groups. That wasn't there before. I'm going to click on profile groups, click on create new, and I'm just going to call this demo profile group. And then those individual security profiles that we looked at before, I'm going to add them here. I'm going to tick on antivirus, select the demo antivirus profile group. I'll do the same for web filter. And then I'll do the same for IPS. And so now I've got these three profile groups, or I'm sorry, these three security profiles all added to this profile group. So I'm going to click OK. And now I can see I've got this demo profile group created. And let's go back and see what it looks like when we're creating firewall policy this time. I'm going to go to policy and objects, firewall policy, and then I'm going to create a new firewall policy. And when I get to the point where I would individually, or where I would usually add these security profiles individually, you'll see I have another option here. I have the option to use a security profile group. I'm going to click the radio button to enable that option. And then if I click the drop down, you can see the demo profile group, that group of security profiles that I selected before. So now instead of having to add those security profiles one by one, like we looked at when we first tried to create a security policy or a firewall policy, now we can add just the profile group. And so now we've created a firewall policy and we've used that security profile group to add all of those security profiles all at once without having to add them individually. All right, that was another FortiOS tip. Thank you and see you next time.